What's up, guys? Today I'm going to do my best to start taking off these stains right here. Seems like there's some soda or some type of drink that got spilled right here, and the carpet's absolutely hard. So what I'm going to do is, there's a stain right here too, and various stains throughout the car. So what I got for myself, that's carpet cleaner, an empty spray bottle, and a brush. So what I want to do is actually spray a little bit of water first on the cloth itself, followed by this stuff right here. And the seats have more of a softer fabric, so what I'm going to do is actually use this Scrubby right here rather than using the tool that comes along with this stuff, because this is made out of plastic and it seems like it's still really abrasive, which I'm definitely going to use on the carpets itself, but I'm just going to use the Scrubby that I bought. This has softer bristles, so use this for the seats itself, and hopefully it'll be a lot more cleaner looking than it is right now. Just mist it around it, let the water soak in for a little bit, and then you grab your choice of fabric cleaner and work in spots. So first I'm just going to work on this section right here, do the middle of the top, and that section right there. And I'm going to let this settle. Instruction says right here for this specific cleaner to wait a minute. So I'm going to wait for this to settle for a minute and start scrubbing away. Some more water and fill up your bucket. Just enough for you to handle the heat. You don't want to go too hot. Okay, so yeah, it's settled already. And I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit more, just a tad more, and then start scrubbing away. Spots that seem pretty dirty, just add a little bit more. Once you're done scrubbing, you grab your wet towel, warm wet towel, not just a towel, a warm one. Dunk your rag, your cloth, whatever you're using, into the warm bucket of water. Wring it out, and then wipe again. Repeat as needed, of course. It's starting to look a lot more better, that's for sure, than it was. I still have some heavy stains here, in which I think I cannot get already unless I took it to a professional. But for the most part, I would say it's just good enough for what it is, the time that I'm investing in it, and the type of product that I bought. It's only like $4, and seems like it's working out pretty good for the type of work that we're doing. So I'm actually going to get started also on the floor itself. So again, just mist some water first. And then follow by the solution itself. Don't be shy with it, of course. Okay, so a minute has passed by. Add as you desire. Start scrubbing away. And I know it's dirty work, but somebody has to do it. It's obviously not going to be done by itself. It's definitely is dirty. I'm definitely gonna have to hit it twice, 3 times, and even 4 times. You can already see the residue that's coming out of the. Look at that. That's dirty, man. That's disgusting. Okay, let's hit it with the spots that you see that doesn't have any water or cleaner on it. As far as the carpet, and actually try to clean it. Dirty, disgusting. I mean, I know I'm not the cleanest person in the world, but hey, I'm definitely cleaner than this. It's pretty disgusting. Look at that. Okay. Shit.
I tried to say something as I walked up. I didn't realize you had the hit.
With this stuff, and start scrubbing away, because it's definitely dirty. It's disgusting. Okay, so I scrubbed it again, and I'm gonna hit it again with, okay, on my damp warm rag. Hit the spots nice and good. It's actually not that bad once you get started. The hardest part is getting started. That cleaner actually works pretty good if you put some elbow grease to it. So I'm going to put this rag back in the warm, put it back in the warm bucket of water, and hit it again. Wet rag, make it damp, and just wipe it down. Well, it looks more better than it was, that's for sure. Water first.
There's water. It's already murky. That is gross. I have to soak it with water. I should rub it with a rag. Look at that. So disgusting. Hit this dirty spot. Actually, roughed up spot with a rag. Look at that.
I got some more fresh warm water. And then just wipe it down. I absolutely hate driving around. I mean, I have to do emissions on the car. Since the car was sitting for quite a long time, the computer reset. So for emissions, you have to drive it around, put a couple hundred miles, well, a few miles on it, so that the computer can read that everything's working properly without a check engine light. I'm just very annoyed right now that I'm just driving for, I mean, there's a reason behind it, but it seems like I'm not driving for a reason. I'm just driving around and going crazy around here. So I got these floor mats from Amazon. They were 16 bucks. Free shipping, of course. And I thought it was a sweet deal, considering what they are. Let's see here. I mean, I still need to clean up a little bit here, a little bit more, but for the majority part of it, it looks a lot more better than it was. These marks were more deeper. It looked a lot more better. So I decided to actually post the car for sale. The weather hasn't given me the chance to clean the car too much. It's been raining on and off for the past couple hours. It stopped raining right now, but the car still needs a detail, and the car itself needs tires. I'll show you. So the car needs tires all the way around. They're basically almost bald. I just realized I wanted to roll down the window the other day, and this thing just freaking broke on me. So it needs a new regulator. It's a new sun visor also. It's up there, but the only thing that's holding it up, it's barely, if you unclip it, it just comes off. So what's holding it in is actually the combination of both sides. But it needs the AC and heater blower for the car. So I need that. I already have it, I just got to put it in. And obviously the detail itself. Oh, and the other thing is that I have the key ignition for the car, but I don't have the keys for the doors. I need to go to the locksmith and get keys for the doors itself. Registration's good for 1 year. Smog is good for 2 years. But I'm gonna post it for sale already for 1,500 bucks. And the reason why I'm selling it cheap is because I don't want to hustle the next owner. I want to be fair with them. It needs new tires, so that's easily $400 of tires right there. So that'll jump it to $2,000. It needs the keys for the doors, which is like 50 bucks. The heater blower I need to put back in. The detail itself. So if Kelly Blue Book in perfect condition, it's around $2,800, $2,500. So that's in perfect condition. And obviously the car isn't in perfect condition, so I'm just adjusting the price of, if I were to, be fair with the buyer, and then putting in the rest of the amount of work. Of course, once I start, if it doesn't sell, I obviously gonna put more work into it, and the price will start going up. But just thought I should let you guys know that I'm posting the car for sale. And again, the regulator doesn't work anymore, so I got to go find that at the junkyard and fix that if it doesn't sell, me doing all this work right here. If it's ready to go, and other than that, it's running fine, has no check engine light. It runs really smooth, of course, like a Cadillac.